Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on parables, and today's parable is about the 10 virgins. Yes, so listen up if you want to learn more, and if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, do me a favor. Click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video. Share it with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 25 from verse 1 to verse 13. That time there, God kingdom I go come in like 10 young girl we take their lamp go meet the man we are get married. 5 of them did fufu and the next 5 did have sense. When the fufu one them take for them lamp, they bring extra oil. But the one them will have sense did walk with the extra oil for feed them lamp. The bridegroom did take long for come, and sleep did start for hold them down, and the whole of them drop asleep. But in the middle of the night, somebody shout out, "Hey, the bridegroom there, come meet him." Young girl them get up and start fix up them lamps so it could have burn good. Hear the fool one them to the wise one them now. Give it some of the oil now, cause feel the lamp so out. No, they answer back. We don't have enough fish share for we and for uno. Go to who sell it and go buy some. But when them go buy the oil, the bridegroom go come, and the one them we did ready, go with him which part the wedding dinner did I keep. Then the servant them lock the door. Little more, the other young girl them come back. Hear them now? Lord, open the door for we now. But he answer back. Hear me now? And a true me attack, me not even know no. So here what? Make sure say we ever ready and I look out. Cause we don't know at which day or at what time the man with God pick I go come back. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.